Number 5. Number 4. April 8th, 2024 in Wyoming, Michigan. A stolen Range Rover tears through the streets. Inside, 17-year-old Riley Doggett, riding as a passenger. Deputy Josiah McMain spots the vehicle and initiates a pursuit.
Canine just ran the car trying to get past me.
I copy.
Canine, it's eastbound right now on 44th. I think it might be damaged. Permission to continue?
4042, copy.
One of the cars is okay. There's another Ford Escape that pulled further eastbound over the bridge. I couldn't check on them yet.
Stern looks like we're going to be going northbound.
Copy, turn northbound.
Canine, he is northbound in the southbound of the Eastern. Let me see if he corrects here in a second.
After a 4-minute chase, the SUV crashes into parked cars near 32nd Street and Division Avenue. 2 suspects bail and run. One of them is Riley. The Dashcam captures what happens next.
Copy, turn northbound.
Bailing out, bailing out.
Copy, bailing out.
Can I get permission from 4042 to start that way? 40. Yeah, let's get everybody over there.
The deputy tries to intercept one of the suspects, striking Riley's leg as he runs. His shoe flies off, tire marks appear, and he falls, hitting his head violently on the pavement. Riley survives the night, but after weeks in the hospital, he passes away on May 9th from severe head injuries. The Kent County prosecutor reviewed the footage and the vehicle's speed, roughly 22 miles per hour at impact, and ruled no charges against the deputy. The deputy stated he feared the suspects could be armed and were fleeing toward residential neighborhoods, and believed stopping them immediately was necessary to protect the public. A tragic chain of decisions, and a young life lost. Rest in peace, Riley Doggett. Who do you think is at fault here? Number 3. On May 2023 in Browns Plains, Australia, a driver was traveling on a calm night when a woman suddenly jumps onto his car. She jumps onto the hood, deliberately, in an obvious act. A man rushes from the roadside, flailing his arms, trying to make the driver stop with equally as bad acting. But this driver doesn't fall for it. Instead, he floors it and escapes. At first glance, it looks like your typical insurance fraud scam, a staged accident meant to force a payout. But according to the driver, things were about to get much darker. According to the driver, a group of men reportedly emerged from the darkness, sprinting toward his car from behind. Whether they were planning a carjacking or something worse, we'll never know. Fortunately, the driver remained calm and aware of his surroundings. The clip was handed to the Browns Plains Police Department, but investigators say the suspects were never found. Number 2. On April 1st, 2024, in Crittenden County, Arkansas, Trooper Thomas Evans spots a vehicle tailgating a semi-truck and weaving slightly on I-40 near exit 265. Behind the wheel, 28-year-old Courtney Ridgway. Evans activates his lights, but instead of stopping, Ridgway flees. A high-speed pursuit unfolds, the SUV climbing past 100 miles per hour. Evans attempts a PIT maneuver. It fails. Ridgway speeds off again until she reaches Bing's Store Road, a gravel stretch known for poor traction at high speed. Moments later, she loses control.
Roll over, D21, D29.
Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Crawl out!
They're going to be using it, dispatch,
Hey, go get your own gun. Go, I got this. Crawl out! Hands up! Crawl out to me! Come here! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Stomach! Roll in your stomach, you! Alex, you awake? Are you awake, baby? Shut up! Keep your hands out there! Keep your hands out there! Hey! What a fucking wreck, man. I'll take my arm off. All right, get down. Crawl out to me! Crawl out to me! Get your hand over here. Right. Crawl out to me!
26,
How many
41,
more
other
people in the
vehicle.
vehicle?
You go down.
21,
Well, that's your
That's northbound at 127, that's westbound at something like you're running
There's
to.
2 more people in the vehicle? Yes, sir. Where's she at?
One in the front seat, one in the passenger. They still.
I don't see the other passenger. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me.
41, 46,
You got her.
from
Maybe.
Yeah, we're good check.
All right, got it.
We'll be right there in Geneva.
The SUV spins out, flipping into a ditch. Ridgway was ejected from the vehicle, she wasn't wearing a seatbelt, and was pronounced dead at the scene. 2 passengers survived with non-life-threatening injuries. A routine stop turned into tragedy. Rest in peace, Courtney Ridgway. This is a tragic example of the importance of seatbelts and why you shouldn't flee the police. Number 1. On December 26, 2017, in Prachinburi, Thailand, 32-year-old Mana had just finished his shift and was walking back to his truck when disaster struck. Almost. As he strolls beneath a row of power lines, there's a deafening crack and a blinding flash above his head. The overhead cables explode, sending burning debris raining down onto the street. In that split second, instinct takes over. Mana flinches and darts forward. If he'd been only 1 step slower, the live wires would have landed directly on him. Later, Mana told reporters that heavy rain had been falling, and he believed an electrical fault or overheating in the wires caused them to melt and short-circuit. Electrical authorities confirmed the explosion was the result of a power line failure, triggered by moisture and corrosion that had built up inside the cables. The footage went viral across Thai social media, many calling him the luckiest man alive. If he had been just a second later, he may not have been here today. A chilling reminder of how fragile our lives are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought down in the comments. And if you haven't already, go check out the previous volumes. There's plenty more, just like this. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.